Earthquake tremors were felt early this morning across the Himalayan region belt of China, Nepal and parts of Bihar as well. It's been a 7.1 magnitude on the Richter scale that has hit Nepal, which is being seen as the epicenter. As more and more details are coming in, look at that. Remember, 7.1, and looks like there has been damage. Early morning, about 6:30 a.m., most people deep asleep, and but as with the sunrise, the damage is clear. We hope that not much damage to property and people, but you can see the trees have been uprooted and hit. The tremors in India as well have been felt in parts of Bihar, Bengal and Sikkim. So it's the northeastern belt and the Himalayan belt toward Nepal, and then onward to China and parts of Bangladesh as well. We are told that 6.8 magnitude on the Richter scale has hit southwest China. Nepal-India border has definitely reported tremors. Even parts of Delhi NCR, there are reports that the slight tremors were felt. However, the magnitude or the effort or the depth of it was actually felt in the belt of Bihar, Bengal, Sikkim, Nepal, Bangladesh and also then China. We are trying to ascertain more details, but look at that. Early this morning, people have woken up to these fans that clearly are showing a movement. Trees have been uprooted, but we'll try and get more clarity. Those who could actually and were able to, look at that, manage to record the chandeliers, the lampshades, the fans that were moving because of the tremor. 7.1 on the Richter scale, remember, is very high. We'll try and understand the depth of it also, because that can also determine the kind of tremors that it really was. But clearly, waking up with a shake and a jerk this morning. But also, I must add, if you are a viewer of any of these areas, be cautious, because each time there's an earthquake, there is then a return tremor of it. So be cautious, exercise caution over the next few hours and be safe. We'll try and get more details. Look at that, Kathmandu, Nepal, where we can see trees have been uprooted. Remember, for Nepal, this is concerning because while we hope it hasn't been that high, but it was in 2015 that one of the biggest earthquakes hit Nepal and reported massive damage of people and property. Early this morning, people have rushed out of their houses. In the courtyard, you can see the damage to the properties as well. Most people in the localities have come out already. In Patna, this is Bihar on one side, and then also India-Nepal border, especially in the belt of Bihar. Let's go across then live to my colleague Rohit Singh this morning. Rohit, not a very pleasant morning to people in Bihar. Did you feel the earthquake? What was happening? And I'm sure most people would be deep in sleep.
Yes, absolutely, Pooja. This, in fact, earthquake tremors were felt at around 6:35 this morning, and especially several districts of North Bihar was affected because what we know is that epicenter is somewhere near Nepal. So that is why the many districts of North Bihar, which are just adjacent to Nepal, tremors were felt there. Almost a dozen of them: Sitamarhi, Shivhar, Saharsa, Supaul, Kishanganj, Bhagalpur, and also slight tremors were also felt in the state capital, Patna. And since the timing was such that people were sleeping in the house at that point of time, 6:35 in the morning, and it's a winter morning, so a lot of people may not have felt the tremors, but a few people also have who felt the tremors.
Any reports yet, Rohit, from the border areas of damage to property, and with a hope that damage was not to people, but still?
No, Pooja, since the intensity of the tremor was around 5.1, so it seemed to be a very light tremor, but no reports are coming from any of the district about any loss of life or any property.
All right, stay safe, Rohit, because there are these repeat tremors that happen when an earthquake hits. We'll be waiting for further details, but people clearly rushing out of their house, at least in Nepal, where it was felt very strongly. 7.1 magnitude on the Richter scale. People out on the streets in their nearby localities in Kathmandu, where the visuals are coming in from. Stay safe. We'll be tracking the latest on that.